Hello and welcome to Knit in the Womb Designs, where we do all of your left-handed knitting tutorials. And today we're on episode 13 of our beginning knitting series. And today we are going to talk about cable to back, which we usually see as C2B. This is the opposite twist of a cable to front, which we talked about last week. So this is what they look like when you put them next to each other. And you see they twist in the opposite direction. Now, this is what they look like if you're left-handed, right? If you're right-handed, this would be what your cable to front looks like, and this would be what your cable to back looks like. So I just want you to remember, if you're looking at cables on a pattern and you knit left-handed, meaning you knit from this direction to this direction, then your cables will look backwards compared to a pattern, and that's okay. You will just have a very beautiful and unique pattern, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. So let's get started on how to do the cable to back. It's going to be very similar to what we do the cable to front. And you'll find this is the way all cables are, right? If you can master the difference between front and back, you can do any cable, any twist. It's all the same, okay? So we're going to take the next 2 stitches on our needle. We're going to hold them in the back. So with cable to front, you hold them in the front. With cable to back, you hold them in the back. That's the difference between a C2F and a C2B, right? And then we're going to knit these 2 stitches here. And then we're going to knit the 2 stitches off the cable needle. And we have done our cable. Let's try that again, shall we? Now also, I like to give this a good pull because this stitch here can get a little loose. You can see it can get a little loose. So you give it a good pull and it won't be as loose as it could be. All right, we'll do that again. We're going to take these 2 stitches of this cable and we're going to hold it in the back. This will feel a little fumbly when you are first starting cables. It will get more comfortable over time, I promise. And you will find a cable needle that fits you and you're comfortable with. But at first it's going to feel a little awkward. You're going to feel like you're fumbling with needles. It's okay. Now we're knitting the 2 stitches off the cable needle. And there we go. There's your cable to back. I hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, and if you think you know somebody that this would help them, please make sure you share, you like, you subscribe, and happy knitting.